That didn't work, did it? Lord have mercy. It's too late in the day for this crap. Well, I'm telling you, it has been a long, hard day. This old boy is whipped. Lord have mercy, I'm so tired. But I learned a while back that if you want something, you get out there and you get it done. You work hard, you get your mind set on a prize. If you want that prize, you go get it. So any of you guys starting a business, I've been doing this 18 years, and I could easily sit in that office all day long if I chose to. But I choose to get out here and get it done so I can have some stuff, have some things in life. So when you're in that little crunch time in your business and you want it to grow and want it to take off, get out there and get with it. Get that hustle going and get with it. Whoo, man, alive. That being short, it's okay. I'm gonna finish this up tomorrow. I ain't got no more steam left in me right now. Hey there, it's Pete with GCI Turf. Hope you're having a great day today. I had a great day today. I got a lot of work done. I got a ton of work done. Got my 2 water lines going down. One water line is to the actual irrigation system. The second water line, I'm gonna have me like a water spigot down there in case I ever need any extra water for whatever. While I'm digging the line, might as well put the second line in there, right? Tell you, that grasshopper with that little blade on the front of it comes in handy. We use it doing snow and do sidewalks with it. But it really comes in handy pushing this stuff back. Makes for quick work of it. The reason I left this out right here is I needed to keep it out of the way. My valve box is going right there. Got a really big valve box. I'm gonna put everything in one box. Alright, let it rip. This right here, some really, really, really good stuff. Woo, look at that. Good day in the morning, boy. I'm excited now. We're getting close. I like this part. Maybe he's gonna slam that gate. Oh, snap. Look at that. Dang. I've never seen one do that. Look at this right here. That is goodness if I ever saw it. That's 50-50 compost and golf course sand. It's like super duper fine. Man, I cannot wait to work that right there. Brought the valve box over here so that I can get my spacing right on it, because obviously when I build it, I don't want to build it too wide because it won't fit in the valve box. So I'm just going to keep this here for reference, that way I don't jack nothing up. So nothing super anal about this. I'm just eyeballing it, laying it out evenly spaced. Nothing else will ever go in this valve box, so I really don't need to make room for anything else other than the valves. This will be here, 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 and here. Now, one thing I do, I've got me a flat surface right here to work on. That way when I lay this out, I can lay it right here and flatten it out. Then I'll eyeball it as well. Get it nice and flat and even. Again, you want to be really quick with this stuff. Alright, so that's pretty flat right there, pretty even. And then this one will go on here, and that's my main line coming in. I always like to lay it out. See, look at there, I just screwed that up that quick. I was getting ready to put that in there, just screwed that up. So let me cut me another piece right quick. That's why I buy extra fittings. Now I'm just going to double check it, and I got plenty of room in there for that to work. And now I need to get my front to back, because remember, a valve's going to be in here and a union and that kind of things. By the way, these are the Rainbird, what are these, DVF or DFV or something. Where's the, there it is, Rainbird DVF valves. That's the same thing I got at my house. They work really well. I'm going to go ahead and tighten these down pretty good, making sure that's straight up and down. And then this end, the female end, will actually, well, not that one, that one's jacked up. The female end will of the pipe going to the zone will slide in here, and then that'll basically screw right on, and that'll leave it to where if the valve ever goes bad, I can pop these off, take it out, and replace it. I actually went on and put a one right here on this end as well. That's my main line coming in. That way, just, you know, anything ever happens weird, I can unhook it and pop the whole thing out. Just trying to prepare for a rainy day is all. I don't know that day will ever come. Probably won't have to ever work on it. I don't think so, but you never know. Alright, so everything looks pretty good right there. I'm gonna go ahead and hook up my main water pipe coming in, and that'll set that. It won't move anymore. So in the process of doing that, I'm gonna be super careful not to move the valve manifold. I'm gonna double check all this one more time, eyeball it to make sure it's straight, because once I put this together, it's a done deal. There we go, look at there. Hot dog. Well, there you go. And mark this, it's right inside that one. And actually right inside that one. Cut that, cut a hole out right there. All right, so getting it done. This is what we're at right now. I've got my little thing for my water spigot right here. It's gonna go right here. I'm waiting on Kevin to get back with a valve box. I can finish this, cover all this crap up, and I could care less how much it rained then. I just don't want my ditches filling up with water. Now what I did right here, I don't even know if this is the right way to do this. I put me a plastic bag right there so that, you know, I cut the hole out for my pipe to go through, and that way that dirt don't get back down in there. I'll do the same thing right here with that. I'll just take that plastic bag and cover that up once I get my my water spigot in. And there's my wire. There's my wire right there to my valves. I haven't wired it. We'll do it a different day when it ain't raining. I ain't gonna stand out here in the rain no more than I have to. So we'll catch that on another video. Alright, so that's pretty much even right there, level with that. Man, get my cable line back in the ditch. I don't know exactly where that's at moving forward. it's a little bit messy, but it is what it is. I beat the rain and got everything buried. Valve box is a little bit high looking at it now, but I'm not worried about that. So the reason I was hustling trying to get this done is obviously I don't want my ditches filling up with water, right? So I'll come out and fix all this. We'll do a wiring video. Whew, I got the hiccups. We'll do a wiring, we'll do the wire video next. Look at that big pile of black gold over there. We're getting close. We're getting really, really close. I'm super excited, super pumped. Cannot wait to show you this. Thank you for watching. I'm gonna go put some dry clothes on. I will check you later.